Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this vlog, we are about to unbox this Lavalier mic which I ordered from eBay 2 weeks before. So this mic will be special for my vlogs to improve the quality of the sound. So the packaging is good, and so this is the packaging, right? Okay, this box consists of three things. One is your charging box, and which has the USB-C on it, so you can charge it. Then when you open it, then you have two microphones and then one receiver. So the microphone has also USB-C on it, and then there's a pair button. I hope this is a pair button, and then you can attach this to your shirt as well, so which makes it easy for you. So this is the one, and there's another one the same way. It has a USB-C attachment and also the pair button. So, and then you have the receiver which has a lightning port on it, which usually used with your iPhone, and you can also convert this to USB-C. You just need to need a converter of lightning port to Type-C, and then you can use it with a Type-C phone like your Samsung or anything. So the box quality is fine, it's good, it's not that bad. And also the quality of microphone, it's fine, it's good, not bad. And then you have this receiver, which is also good, shiny, looks good. Then you have this box. Let's see what we have. We should have a USB-C cable as well in it, or I'm also expecting a converter as well. Let's see what we found. All right, so that's it. Yep, so we have the USB-C cable as well, and which you can use with your microphone box to charge it, and you need an adapter or anything in which you put this USB. Alright, I was reading a few things on the box which I need to mention up here, which is important. So first thing first, it says plug and play. As we know, you just need to plug it. You don't need an application, you don't need a setup, you just need to plug it and it will start working. So then it says 20 meters, that means you can walk up to 20 meters away from your phone and it will be still connected. I feel like it's working on 2.4 gigahertz, which is for long distance. Then it says precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive. That means it's a noise reduction. Hopefully it will reduce the noise, and it's widely compatible. You can use it with any device. Like if you have the USB-C port, then you can use it with your laptop, with your Samsung phone or any phone. And then you have if you have the lightning port like this one, then you can use with all iPhone products. And on the right side of the box, it says, all right, they have two types, for Type-C and for iPhone, and you can select the type when you are ordering the product, right? And so this is the way you will doing the setup. You just need to put into the iPhone, and then you have to press the start button or pair button, and it will start working. Okay, so we have last thing here, which is the manual. It tells you introduction, ID diagram, how to use it, and how to charge it. So that's all we have in here. And it also says packaging list, content of packing, microphone, transmitter, lightning receiver, charging box, charging cable, and user manual, which I showed you one by one for everything. So that's it with the unboxing. So now we're gonna test the quality of the mic, that how is the sound quality, and then we will review about it. Alright, it's green now, that's mean it paired. Let's try. So I'm attaching it to my shirt now. Let's see if it works or not. So it's attached to my shirt now. I can hope that you'll be hearing sound from this one. If you can't hear any noise around, then this sound is coming from this one. I have connected the mic with my shirt. You can see here it's green, that means it's paired, and we are outside to test the mic. Today is very windy. You can see here the trees, and there are birds as well. So outside there are cars as well. So if you are hearing the noise too much, then that's mean the mic sound quality is not good. And if you are hearing my voice very clearly and the noise is very reduced, that's mean it's working very well. Well, we will review the sound after when I will listen to the sound. So pretty much now I hope you have an idea that how this mic is working. So I'm testing another microphone with my wife. She's wearing it, and let's see how it works with when you have two person speaking in two microphones. So can you speak something?
Yeah, hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel.
All right.
Whatever
she said, I hope it's working, and let's see the results. Alright, so the end result is this product didn't work for me because in both videos there was a lot of noise behind the video. So I will definitely not recommend this product to you guys, so don't need to buy this one. And I will definitely return this item to eBay so they can give me my money back, and so I can buy the another one and test that product. So the final result is don't buy this product. That's it for today. So this was a tutorial of these microphones which didn't work for me. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and also like this video and share as well. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Good job.